Hello everyone, welcome to Smart School Student Guide. Today I will be introducing a new feature we have incorporated, that is Smart School Web Portal. So the purpose of the web portal is mainly for students to upload the fee receipts and to do the messaging service. So let me show you how it works. So the first thing, as usual, student need to click on the login and click on the web portal, the new link we have added. And once the page is loaded, the student can log in with the respective roll number. So using the roll number, they can log in into this web portal also. And once logged in here they will be having three main modules: the profile, the message, and the payments. So the profile, the first one, in which they will be shown the basic information like the national ID, admission number, the personal information, contact information, academic information, etc. And the second one is the messaging service. So for message, they can message to the respective campus manager or the admin staff in case if they have any questions, or vice versa if the branch manager wish to send a message, a bulk message, to multiple students of the same batch or all students of the course. They can use this message service to communicate with the students. So let us see how student can send a message. So in here they can click on the compose, and then they can select the employee to whom they are going to send the message. So in here they will be seeing the respective campus, branch manager, admin staff, etc. And then they can send the message subject, and if they have any questions, queries, they can ask regarding this. And if they wish to attach any documents, they can still do the same here. And once it is sent, it will go to the respective branch manager, and they will be able to view these messages and respond back to you. And in case if they have sent a message, the students will be able to see the message in here, and when they click on it, it will show you all the messages. Right now there are no messages given for this particular student. Then the third option is the payment. In the payment, the student will be able to see all the due payments and also all the paid payments. So in here, in case of the paid, they can download the respective fee receipt. For example, this payment was made by a student, and if they click on the print button, the fee receipt will be generated, and it can be used mainly for free degree and other options. We can use this, student can use this. And in case of fee payment, so the main highlight of this web portal was to incorporate, instead of students sending the screenshot through Viber message, what they can do now is they can upload the payment slip after they have done the bank transaction through this web portal. For example, let's say if the student wish to pay for this particular installment, they can click on it and then click on upload receipt. On that, it will ask the student for the transaction number. So they can enter the transaction number based on the transaction, the number generated by them, not by them, but actually by the bank, and the date on which the payment was done on the Smart School, and also the amount. The amount, for example, in this case it's 1450, and then you can choose the receipt, fee slip, and then they can submit it. So once they submit the slip, it will be accessible or viewable for the respective branch admin staff, and after they verify and update the payment, it will be reflected back to the student. So in here, after it is updated, it will be not shown in the dues, but it will be shown in the paid category, and the students can download the receipt from here. So this is actually mainly for students we have introduced this feature, and right now it is in a web portal. So soon we are going to launch a mobile app, so through which the students can install the app in their phone, and they can use these three modules in the same app itself. So once the application is launched, I will be bringing another video regarding that. So until, stay safe and bye everyone.